In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. This is a quick and straightforward process that can help improve your browser's performance or troubleshoot certain issues. So, let's dive right into it and get started. First, we'll need to open the extensions page within Google Chrome. To do this, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see three vertical dots, which act as the main menu button. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. You should notice a section labeled Extensions within this menu. Hover your mouse over this section, and you'll see another option appear labeled Manage Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions, and you'll be directed to a new page. On this new page, you'll now see a comprehensive list of all the extensions you've currently installed in your Google Chrome browser. This page gives you a full view of every extension, making it super easy to manage them. Each extension listed here is contained in its own box, and within these boxes, you'll notice a toggle switch situated in the bottom right corner. This toggle switch is what you'll use to disable any of your extensions. If you decide there's an extension you want to disable, simply click on the toggle switch for that specific extension. When the switch is toggled off, it should turn gray, indicating that the extension has been disabled. This action stops the extension from running or affecting your browsing experience. It's important to note that disabling an extension doesn't remove it from your browser. It simply deactivates it, allowing you to easily turn it back on at any point by clicking the toggle switch again. Disabling extensions can be particularly useful if you're trying to diagnose problems with your browser or if a particular extension is causing issues. By limiting the number of active extensions, you can enhance your browser's speed and efficiency since extensions can sometimes take up valuable resources. This is also a good practice if you're looking to streamline your browsing experience and maintain a clutter-free environment. And there you have it. Disabling extensions in Google Chrome is that simple. Knowing how to manage your extensions can greatly improve your control over your browser, optimizing its performance and allowing you to customize it to better suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in improving your Chrome browser experience.